Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that Mr. Boy drove for a distance of 135 kilometers and the question does indicate the unknown x. X is for the speed. So while we are reading, the question has already identified the unknown quantity and given it a letter x already. So we have used the letter to represent the unknown. And there is a further 120 kilometer at a speed of 10 kilometer slower. So our job now later on is to express other quantity in terms of x. So I got another speed, right? So later on, given that the time taken for both to travel both distances is the same, find the two speed. Okay. So now we are at step 3, okay? So for step 3, right, the speed, where he traveled at 120 kilometer distance, the speed for this will be x, and it is slower by 10 kilometer, so I minus 10. Alright? And next step, I would then form an equation based on the information that the time taken is the same. And at this juncture, do take note of the relationship between distance, speed, and time. To find the time, distance divided by speed. And so, 135 kilometer divided by the speed, this will give me the time taken for the first part of the journey. And this is actually equal, the time taken is equal to, for the distance of 120 kilometer and the speed, so you will see me distance divided by the speed to get the time taken. They are equal. We have successfully reached stage 4 or step 4. Now, Mr. Tan will then solve this equation. Okay? So you will see Mr. Tan multiplying by x on both sides, such that I will be able to divide off the x. You will also see Mr. Tan multiplying by x minus 10 on both sides, such that I can divide off the x minus 10 on the right hand side. And so I will get 135 times x minus 10 equals to 120 times x. So my job now is to continue to solve. Alright. So I will multiply to give me 135x minus 1350. And this one will be equals to 120x. So at this stage, right, you will start to see me doing more. I'm going to add 1350 on both sides, so that this part here will become 0. I'm only left with 135x. And you will see me minusing 120x on both sides, such that 120x minus 120x will become 0. And I will get 15. X is equals to 1350. And I'm going to divide by 15 on both sides, such that I will eventually get my x. X will be equals to 90. And once I have x equals to 90, then I will be able to find the other speed, which is 10 kilometers lower. So actually I have successfully solved the equation. And at this stage, right, I would then have to go back to write the answer statement. So I will have the first speed. They want to find the two speed Mr. Bowie drove, right? So the speed for 135 kilometer is 90 kilometer per hour. And the speed for the 120 kilometer segment will be 90 minus 10, 80 kilometer per hour. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.